Hello, what's up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car review, and in today's video we will be taking a look at the Tarmac Works GruppeM Racing, the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3 part from the DTM 2021 Racing Series. This is the GruppeM Racing BWT style livery, which is basically a combination of bright pink and also dark blue, as you can see right here. Very nice looking car right there inside. So it's bright pink on the top of the sleeve, paper sleeve, and matte blue at the bottom. So like I said, AMG GT3. Over here it says Hobby 64, and there is the top. Here's the front. You can see the front of the car and also the back of the car. Over the back, Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good. So this is quite an old casting and very hard to find nowadays. Tarmac Works, manufactured by Tarmac Premium Collectibles, blah blah blah. There are your socials, your web store link, Facebook and Instagram. There is the official Mercedes-Benz licensing with, of course, the authentic Mercedes-Benz sticker right there, which proves that it is officially licensed. So AMG GT3 DTM 2021 GruppeM Racing, and this is driven by Daniel Juncadella. I apologize if I said his name wrongly by any chance. There's your barcode, made in China. So what do I mean by this is the oldest, like the newer era of the GT3 AMG? What does that mean? Basically, this is scheduled for August 2019, if I'm not mistaken, or was it 2020 event? Sorry, not event, but it's like a more to a public release, and not many people get their hands on it. It sold out quite fast, even though this is a regular release. And yeah, for a car like this, it looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. I love the pink color, of course, and the blue that comes with it, very nice. So yeah, let's take a look here. If we take it out from the sleeve, you can see that it says GMR. The background is cool and all. Put it right there. So of course it does come with the cert card, certification, Tarmac Works. There are your socials, blue, white and pink. So limited production run, and you're part of the model car revolution. AMG GT3 DTM 2021, and this is serial number 325, and it's a limited model. Yeah, nice certification card as usual. And here we shall see the first color of our AMG GT3 that I was meant to get way before all of the other colors, as this is the first, I can say the first. But many people don't really know that, and they thought the Macau AMG GT3 Race 2 and Race 1 winner was the first colors of this car, but sadly no, it isn't. This is the very first that released, and in fact this car did actually re-release quite recently, if you ask me. Now when would this be? Let me just show you. I got myself my hands on the extremely expensive GT3 DTM Champion 2021, but I'm saving this for another video in conjunction with another video I've set to prepare to release very soon, which would be the DTM 2023 KNAUS AMG GT3 in blue, and both of these are very exclusive models, not easy to get, I can say that myself as a pure AMG GT3 collector, as I currently have all 15 in my collection, including the Macau black and gold AMG GT3, which I am gonna do a video of that soon as well. In fact, all of these are pre-recorded, even this one right here that you're watching. This is the base with the car, so we shall start. Hold on. Tarmac, Mercedes AMG GT3 DTM 221, GruppeM Racing, Genial Doom Cadella. Right there, pink over here. In the middle segment right here, we have the dark blue with the logos right here, which is nice. BWT logos right here, very nice, subtle ones, with the white stripe here and there. And then GMR right there at the back, GruppeM Racing. And here we have the car presented, held by a single screw, QC5, this if you're wondering. Plastic base if you're thinking about it. So let us take a close look at the AMG GT3, one of the first newer GT3s made by Tarmac Works themselves. So like I said, this is quite rare and hard for me to get, because you know me, I try to get my hands on the whole collection of the AMG GT3 series, and currently I have them all, and I can say that they are not easy to basically grind and get all of these cars. So I mean, if you have the money, then I can say go ahead. BWT Mercedes GT3 in pink, very nice color, pink and blue with some subtle details here and there. So yeah, let's put it on our turntable. So here is our AMG GT3 in pink. Such a collector's item, I can say that. Many people are willing to pay to get this variant, because some collectors out there do actually collect the BWT liveries, which I must agree, it is quite good. So not only is this car in this color for Tarmac Works, but there's actually another brand that does this, which would be Para64 as well, which is nice. But in my opinion, Tarmac Works does it better here. Sorry. A very nice pink and blue, pink and blue color. So I love the details right here. A lot of sponsors all over the car, which we will talk about in a bit. Quite a popular race car, if you ask me. And I believe I'll be the only diecast YouTube reviewer that actually will review every single AMG GT3 in the process, which I will be uploading soon, of course, all of them, even including the Taiwan exclusive 711 models. So yeah, let's take a close look at our AMG GT3. Made by Tarmac Works. Oops, right here. So over on the side right here it says BWT diagonally here with the text and all, with the logo again. Tarmac Works logo right there. Decra DTM number 8. Some blue stripes right here with some white accents here and there, dark pink. Tarmac Works logo right there, white side mirror right here. So, oh yeah, it does say GMR right there as well, GruppeM Racing. The rims, oh yeah, the rims, I need to mention those. Matte black, I don't know what they're called, but they are racing rims. Sorry, there is rubber tires as well, and also the Michelin, what do you call this? Michelin sponsor right there. Sorry. And over on the front right here, you do have the lens transparent headlights right here. Front grille right here on the front, of course, with the silver front grille, of course, with the Mercedes logo right there, the tow hook, I believe, and then some more blue axis on the front right there, the standard front splitter right here in the front as well, Michelin sponsor right there beneath the headlights, then the massive vent right here and two vents here, GMR logo right there, DTM 8 Decra, regular windshield tint, black down interior, left hand drive, number 8 Auto Hero at the windshield banner right there. So you have that logo again, I believe that's the BWT logo if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, some more blue, Auto Hero again. Just the other side, just if you're wondering, it's pretty much the same thing. And I forgot to mention, there is an antenna on this one, quite long. So yeah, it's quite fragile, better be aware of that if you did get to buy this car. So yeah, it does say AMG on the rear wing right here, colored in white, pink colored rear wing. On the sides right here, it does say avd.de, and the whole side of the wing is colored in red. So held by two supports at the bottom, sorry, at the back. Mercedes logo, brake lights, BWT again, some more sponsors right there, rear lights, and also some more ventilation. And you have this massive rear diffuser, of course. But yeah, that's it. Over on the base of our car, plastic blacked out base, Tarmac works, Mercedes AMG GT3, and made in China. So yeah, a very nice pink AMG GT3 to add to my collection. A very nice looking color. In fact, this was supposed to be the first AMG GT3 that I'm supposed to get and review in order to be in flow to review all of the AMG GT3s. But then again, since I reviewed this car and after a while, it's safe to say that I managed to at least review it to you guys. And in the future, I will actually review the Taiwan exclusive 711 AMG GT3s as well. In fact, Tarmac Works is also developing more colors in the future that I will 100% collect and keep it in my collection. But of course, we'll review it for you guys. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3 made by Tarmac Works in the BWT livery. Of course, GruppeM Racing GMR racing team as well. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. So, if the videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.